Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple and effective way to add a location to your Monday.com board. Whether you're tracking client addresses, project sites, office locations, or team member positions, this feature can make your workspace much more powerful and organized. You might be wondering, is it difficult to add a location in Monday.com? Not at all. There are actually two easy methods, so let's go step by step. Method 1. Adding a location column. First, head to the top right corner of your board and click Add Column. Then choose More Columns. Here, you'll find many advanced options, but for our purpose, simply search for Location or Map. The Location column allows you to place a single point, while the Map column lets you add multiple locations that can be displayed visually. Let's try it out. I'll type Slovakia, select it, and done. Your new location is instantly added to your board. Isn't that easy? You can repeat this process for as many items as you want: cities, countries, offices, delivery points, anything. Method 2. Visualizing locations on a map. Now, what if you want to visualize all your locations together on a beautiful map view? Great question. Here's how to do it. Go to your main table, then click Add View. Next, choose Apps or Add Applications. Now search for Map. Select it, and Monday.com will automatically generate a visual map using the locations you've already added to your table. And there it is. Slovakia appears right on the map instantly. This is incredibly helpful for teams working across countries, scheduling field operations, planning logistics, or simply getting a big picture view of your activity. You can zoom, interact with the markers, and even share the map with your teammates. Everything stays synced, clear, and beautifully organized. Why use location features in Monday.com? Using the location tools can help you improve team coordination, visualize global or local distribution, track clients or project sites, plan routes or service areas, enhance presentations with geographic context. It's one of those small features that can have a big impact on your workflow. And that's it. That's how you can easily add a location and create a map view inside Monday.com. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips and guides.